today we'll be making marshmallow cookies, and I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a long time, but I'm back. So yeah, let's do this. So we got powder, like flour, halfway, marshmallows, chocolate, vanilla, and salt and cinnamon, eggs, sugar halfway, brown sugar halfway, butter, and that mixed stuff. So let's get started. Come on, Dad.
Go.
With my full egg. So you put that in like that. Yeah, I need to do some as well. Yeah. Oh well.
Right, you gonna put in sugar?
Yep. I'll put in the sugar. You put all of it in. So we'll put it in there. Put that away. Then where am I?
Don't forget the other sugar.
Yep, and you put in the brown sugar.
Go on,
This disgusting stuff.
There it goes.
Don't smell nice.
Well, you're gonna mix that
Now,
until it goes cream.
Dad, you can mix it.
I shall mix it.
Dad to mix it because he's a pro at mixing.
So we'll be back in a minute when this is all gone cream.
Yep. Right. When now it's all creamy and stuff, we're gonna put in the eggs. Aren't we, Dad?
Yep, let's get those eggs in.
So, do you want to do the eggs or me?
You can do the eggs.
You want to sort of whack it against here?
Yeah, put them in the bowl so we don't get the shells.
I'm not good at this.
Don't worry about it if you get this. Ah, perfect. I'll take care of that.
Never put an egg, or have, but I'm not good at it.
Oh wow, look at that.
Look at this.
Next video we'll be doing fried eggs.
Yeah, next video we'll be doing fried eggs.
Right.
Great. Right. Now you speak.
Now we pour the eggs
Into there.
into our batter.
There.
Right.
Now we start again.
Stir it until all the eggs are gone.
So we'll see you when the eggs are done and stuff. Since this is done, now we're going to pour the vanilla into there. There. Now, Dad.
Yep, you're going to stir that, yeah?
Yep. I'll stir this. Ugh.
Wow, right.
Oh,
Now,
it smells so bad.
now we're going to pour, what are we going to do now?
We're going to put that into there.
What is that?
Salt and cinnamon.
A little bit of salt, a little bit of cinnamon.
And put it in there.
That's it. A little gentle stir.
Little stir.
And then what we're going to do with that?
Pour this into there.
What, bit by bit?
Yep.
Or all together?
All together, pour.
No, bit by bit you pour.
No. Right.
Right. Go on then.
Do you want to do it? I'll probably end up spilling it everywhere.
Right.
Probably know me. I am a fool. In you go.
Pour it in.
Now
bit
stir.
by bit. You stir it up. It's going to make it thick and dough-like.
Ah. So it's like a snow area. Nice. Stir. Stir. Dad, I think I need a bit of your help here. It's pretty.
Bit more flour, yeah?
Yep.
Don't forget to go around the edges.
I think a bit more flour will be perfect though. Then I can think really good. Yeah.
Right, we'll get all this flour in and we'll be back in a minute.
We'll be back in a minute, yo. So, we preheated the oven to 165 degrees, and all this is mashed up and creams. So, yeah.
Time to add our chocolate.
Time to add a chocolate and this stuff. Marshmallows. Thanks.
Alright, get that chocolate in. Pour that in. Don't be afraid. Don't give me this. Pour the chocolate in.
Ah,
Pour it
it's
in.
my birthday. Oh.
Pour it in. Don't be afraid.
Patience, lady.
We like chocolate.
Ooh! Now marshmallows.
Half of that.
Yeah.
Don't put all of it in because we can't.
That much.
Don't be so silly. Get half of it.
That much.
Get it in.
That
Get
much.
it in.
That much.
Keep going.
Is raining
Oh, that'll do.
marshmallows.
Right.
One more. One more for luck. Start this bad boy. What, more marshmallow? No, more marshmallow. Yeah.
Right, do you want me to do that? Because it's
Yeah.
pretty solid, this.
Guys, this is so awkward, you know. It's gotta be good
Right,
and spicy. What?
it's stupid. Right, incorporate the
Incorporate marshmallows and chocolate.
to the mix.
Yes.
Try and get it mixed up
Mixed
so it's
up,
all
yeah.
even.
Hey, you got it on the bloody oven.
What's it
What's
say?
it naughty? Oh,
Right.
no. Yeah,
Right.
fine.
Does that look good enough?
Yep. Does that look good enough, guys? If it does, then happy days.
Right.
Okay.
A couple of spoons and let's make some cookies.
Right, we're back, and now we need to make them into ball things and put them down on this. What? Can I help, Dad?
Let's see how you go.
That good?
Yep.
Never done this before.
Try and leave a bit of space for
Yeah.
them to spread out.
We do-
So
we
we
want
want them to
them-
spread out a bit. So
Oh.
there you go.
And you can have them in all shapes and sizes. You can
Yeah.
have them like a big size, tiny size.
Yeah.
No.
This is quite awkward.
That's kind of awkward.
So you do that. Do that. And then we can put it down.
Yes.
We'll be back in a minute once we've done a few more.
Yes. Right, we're back and we're all made up. So I'm going to give them to my dad and he's going to put them in the oven for like 10 minutes, 9 or 11 minutes. And then, yeah, so there you go.
So,
There's
come
one.
in and we'll be back,
Back
in a minute.
in a minute. So, yeah. There you go. Dad, put it back on when they're still going to wait. But we're back and we're doing pretty alright. It's halfway through. They're melting and they're gonna be so good. Hopefully. See you in a few minutes. Go. Our cookies are ready, so look how nice they look. So, guys, we're gonna get them at the oven and go like that, like SpongeBob would. Which, you know. And then, yeah, they look pretty yummy. That one looks nasty, so I'm gonna have that one, obviously. Shannon can have like that tiny one. Dad can have that big one.
Right, we've got to leave them to cool a bit.
We need to leave them cool, so that work.
What's it like? Will they come off?
Will it? Hopefully. Hope.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, one of them's
Right,
able.
you get me a plate then.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I'll get some napkins.
We're doing it now.
Right. So we got a plate. I'll put it right here.
Yeah?
Yep, there. Put one. Put on top. Oh, that looks nice. Two. Put them in circles so we can fit. Three. We look so.
This one's stuck together, that.
You look so scrumptious. I want to eat one right now. Comment down below if you would want to eat one. 'Cause you do look nice.
That one's a bit of a funny shape.
It is well.
Who made that one?
Totally not me.
This is definitely the one I made.
No, that's me. Obviously. New airplane.
All those cookies.
I think we need to put some in the middle as well because there's like no room. No.
See all the marshmallow all
Yeah, all
crystallising.
crispy and lovely.
Oh,
Oh well, it still looks yummy. Oh my god. Oh, one sweet one.
that one's a bit burnt.
Oh, I'll eat that one probably. And a double one. Okay. Put that one in the middle. Now that is what you call cookies. 1 billion gazillion cookies. Some marshmallows.
Just to finish them off.
And put one marshmallow. Like that. And that is how you make a scrumptious looking lovely cookie. That. I'm going to try one. Yeah. Want one, Dad?
No. Go on, you try one.
3, 2.
It's going to be hot.
When you bite into it, it's crunchy.
Is it gooey?
No.
Crunchy. Fun.
Please subscribe, like and comment on this video. So, see you later. Next time we'll probably make an egg thing.
A cake.
A cake. We'll make a cake. Goodbye guys.